Hi, One Star Point community. It's Matt Marigli again with another Tips of the Week. If you're looking around my video screen here, you can see I have a huge spreadsheet that's been developed by a lot of integrator Twitter friends of mine that have access to tons of tutorials for both you and your children. So when you click on the link above this video, you can go ahead and look at some of these, and it'll teach you in a quick way how to use some of these things, or if you have questions about them. And then there's even a tab for some other apps here that your children might be using. For instance, K-2 and some third grade classrooms are using Seesaw for parent communication. Flipgrid is being used, Book Creator, Newsela or Newsela is used in different grade levels in our school. Vocabulary is. I know for a fact Edpuzzle and Nearpod are being used. So if you hear these things or see these things from teachers, you can head here and give a click and learn just a quick video or a doc or a picture showing you some things about it. And it really can up your tech IQ and be able to let you help your children as well. If your children have questions, this is a doc they can access as well, and click on these things to kind of help them perfect their use of these different Google applications and some other applications that we're using here at StarPoint. I hope this really helps, and I hope this finds everyone healthy and safe, and have a happy and safe holiday.